everyone, I'm back with another video. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. To all of you who are new, welcome to my channel. Subscribe. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Become a Glamorous Babe with me. And for those of you who don't know, I do have a second channel, a vlog channel. Yes, I sound a little wacky and crazy because I'm under the weather, but that's okay. But of course, you know, this is you read the title, you read the thumbnail, is Christmas makeup, and I did this Christmas makeup look, and otherwise I like it. But if you want to see more of these, then stay tuned and keep on watching this video. Make sure you, if you enjoy my content, help me get to 200 subscribers, and I see y'all in the next one. So let's get into this video. Hey everyone, I'm back with a video. As you all know, I'm working out my confidence palette from Profusion, and I did a video on this. I'm saying that I'm gonna use this. Use one of the palettes as my Christmas makeup, and I'm gonna use Confidence, the Confidence palette. Excuse my voice, I'm a little under the weather, so as you know, and I got my hot tea next to me right now. I'm not gonna do too much talking, but I'm gonna do a little, so bear with me today because I'm really under so much pressure, my voice, and I'm drinking as much tea as I can to get my voice back. So let's do this. As you see, I got one eye done, my face is primed, my brows already done, I got my lashes on one eye. So yeah, let's get right into it. So let's continue. I'm gonna take this excuse me, I'm gonna take this Tarte Shape Tape and conceal my eye. I'm gonna take this shade Serenity and put in the start all the way and put in my crease and defining area. Now I'm gonna take this shade Secure and put it on top of that Serenity. I'm gonna take this shade Mally to darken it. I'm gonna take this shade Legendary and put it in my inner corner of my eyelid. I'm gonna take Mascot right here and put it in my middle of my eyelid. I'm gonna take this shade Supple and put it on top of Mascot. Now time, I'm gonna apply my Kiss Blowout lashes. Y'all know this is my favorite lashes, so I'm gonna just apply that off camera, and I will be back. Now it's time to move on to the face, and the two foundation I'm using is my favorite. Becoming my favorite is my NYX foundation, Can't Stop Won't Stop, and Warm Camera and Honey to apply to my face. And I already said it's already primed, so let's get to it. Now I'm going to take this BYX, so favorite lips, and Very Sweet to put on my lips. And I'm going to take Creeper from ColourPop and top it off. So this is the end of my Christmas makeup. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you try this look or have a look for Christmas or whatever. So I really enjoyed doing this Christmas makeup and using my Confidence palette from Profusion Cosmetics. If you don't have this palette, please do so. Pick you up one or order you one because it has nice shades. And other than that, this is the end of my video. And if you enjoy my content, help me get to 200 subscribers. And I'll see y'all in the next video, my Glamorous Babes. Bye.